Hello and welcome back Lodisla channel. Lodisla video by you me talk long number of elements in a set. Before you may continue long calculating number of elements, na him how long calculating number of elements in a set. You may look some important points. First point, the order in which the elements are written makes no difference, and each element is listed only once. Like explaining this point, you may look one play example. Now example A is equals to letters in the word book. So inside of this word book, you may get him 2 plus letter O. But time you may list him element, and by you may write him 1 plus letter O, that's all. So you may get him A is equals to the set BOK. You may can write him to also A is equals to OBK, or you may can write him to A is equals to KBO. How you may arrange him on letters KBO or OBK or BOK, I may not make him one blood difference. Okay, and you may just show him that's all set A. Another important point, a set containing no elements is called an empty set or a null set. You may denote him one time this symbol or this symbol. Okay, open curly braces, now close curly braces. One play example. P is equals to the set all chickens with 3 legs. Okay, you may have some kakaruk, you got him 2 plus legs. So obviously set P is equals to null set. So you may use this symbol long, so him null set, or you may can use him this symbol, so him null set. The number of elements in a set A is denoted by N of A. Okay, number of elements in set A, you may denote him as N of A. Now suppose you may got him number of elements in set B, and by you may write him N of B. One play example. Okay, A is equals to the set 1, 3, 5, 7. So all elements inside long set A. So look, find him out number of elements inside long set A, and by you may count him that's all these elements inside long set A. So you may get him 1, 3, 5, 7. So number of elements in set A is equals to 4. Now apply example. C is equals to letters in the word spheres. If you look this word spheres, you may get him 2 plus letter S, now you may get him 2 plus letter E. So time you may list him all elements inside long set C, and by you may list him 1 plus time that's all S, now 1 plus time that's all E. So you may get him C is equals to the set SPHER. Now you see now you may look counting number of elements inside long set C. So you may get him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus element. So number of element in set C and 5. Now apply example. B is equals to the set X such that X is a natural number. Okay, it's like 2 plus dot here, and we mean him such as. So before you may find him number of element in set B, you must list him past time all elements. So you may list him, you may have a natural number, and like 1, 2, 3, going up to 9. But because I'm talk is a natural number, and you may continue 9, 10, I go more. So this set now, number of elements in this set B now will be equals to infinity. Last play example. D is equals to the set X such that X is an integer and 3X is equals to 5. Before you may find him number of elements of set D, you must solve him this equation past time. Now find him out, suppose X M integer. So 3X, you may solve him this past time. So time you may solve him now, you may get him 3x is equals to 5. and x now will be equals to 5/3, which is equals to 1.666 recurring. Therefore, D is equals to a null set, because 1.666 variable x is not an integer. So set D now is equals to a null set. Now number of element in set D is equals to 0, because null set di misabelsem is a set in negative element. Thank you for watching this video. Na bungi milo na video. Goodbye.